So with winter here and with daytime highs in the workshop of at best just under 10 degrees, I've ordered one of these Mudiro diesel powered workshop heaters. Apparently kicks out 8 kilowatts. This is everything that comes in the kit. So we've got an exhaust pipe with a silencer, some mountings, there's an outlet air pipe with a directional vent on it, there's an inlet air pipe with an air filter, and the assorted power supplies. So gonna read through the instruction book, put this all together, fire it up, and hopefully that will be the end of the ears dropping off through cold this winter. And here we go, all set up. I drilled a hole through the wall to put the exhaust out through. I'm hoping there that the exhaust will put a little bit of warmth into the bricks, but obviously the other thing is that the bricks are fireproof. So yeah, literally just had to attach the inlet pipe, which comes through a hole in the back here with a filter on it, the exhaust pipe, and I've chosen to put this ducting hose on so that I can duct it out towards the workshop a little bit, and then just had to turn it on and wait. You can hear the fan and the fuel pump running, and then outside you can hear the exhaust going. There is a silencer for it in the kit, but as my workshop is a long way away from anybody, I'm not going to worry about the noise, so I've got it set on a medium heat for the moment, and we'll see how it gets on. Looking forward to this.